To change the batteries on your landline cordless phone, it's very easy to do. Take off the battery cover and you will see it says warning, use only rechargeable batteries. So do not use normal alkaline batteries, because although these will work, as soon as you go to charge this up, you're going to have big problems with these because they're not rechargeable. So we need to take these batteries out and you need to make a note of what they are. So these are AAA batteries and they're 600 mAh, milliamp hours. So we need to replace them with AAA batteries that are 600 or bigger. We can go bigger, it's not a problem. So if we were to use 650, it's absolutely fine because these are still AAA batteries. You can use 700, 800. All it means is that they're going to last longer in between each charge. So we're going to put it in the same way we took them out. Minus, plus and minus, plus. You can see it's labelled up there. So we're going to put them in that way round. And then you should find, after a few seconds of searching, that your landline starts working again. Thanks a lot for watching.